Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, September 16th. What we see here in the S&P after some fundamental data came out this week, as we talked about in the advanced video, we see a clean close as we go into the weekend, a sign of confidence. If you haven't looked at these videos before, the green line that you see here is a buy level, red line is a sell level. A dashed line means that it's something that happened earlier in the week. And at dangramza.com you can go back. These are free videos that you can go back over 10 years and you could watch how this market developed. But what is the dollar difference, if you're not familiar with futures, between the sell level down to that buy level? And that difference is $850 a contract. Let's take a look at some of these other indices. And what we see here in the NASDAQ market, from that sell level down to that buy level, that dollar difference is $12,000 a contract. Over in the, where we go, the Dow, the difference between the sell level to that buy level is $680 a contract. I do look for follow through to the upside. The Russell really took off on Friday because it's very sensitive. That index is more sensitive than the other indices to an interest rate change. And now they're talking about a 50 basis point change, 0.5% interest rate change next week. That's more favorable for the small to mid cap stocks, and that's why you're seeing such a big move. Over in the euro, the difference between the sell to the buy level in that market is $225 a contract. And our friend the Swissy, the difference here between the Swiss the buy to the sell level, if I could say it, in the Swiss market, that difference is $125 a contract. Over in Mr. Yen, it continues higher, and I am looking for follow through. In the Aussie dollar, difference between the sell to the buy level in that market, $330 a contract. Over in the British pound, the difference between the sell to the buy level in that market, $175 a contract. And in the Canadian dollar, difference between the sell and buy level in that market is $200 a contract. Let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. Not much. Stronger close. Can we get follow through? That's what's expected. And in the 10-year notes, from the buy level to that sell level, that dollar difference is $1,843.75. It does imply further moving up, especially if yields come off. Well, the difference between the buy and sell level and 30-year bonds is $2,812.50. Let's see what's going on here with gold. The difference between that sell and buy level here in gold, let me show you what I'm talking about. There you go. That difference there is $200 a contract. We are seeing some momentum building in this market. And if interest rates come down, precious metals can benefit from that. And we're seeing that also in the silver market and even in copper. Be cautious here. I don't think that demand in copper is there to support a long-term trend change. But in crude oil, the difference between the sell to that buy level is $140 a contract. If we take a look at what's going on in nat gas, the sell to buy level in that market is $800 a contract. What do we look for here? Well, I don't look for a big day up in that market. We have some positive things happening with gas supply. There was some concern about the storm we had in the Gulf Coast. You know, that area represents 26% of our production in nat gas, so it's an an important area. Soybeans, kind of a mixed bag in terms of fundamentals coming out in that market. But corn is stronger. Difference between the sell and buy level in that market, $450 a contract. Yes, I do look for a follow through there, and also in the wheat market. The Russia Ukraine situation, keep your eye on that. This could have some room to go higher for corn and wheat. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again next week. In the meantime, have a wonderful weekend and take care.